This is a paper for Feb-March 2024, paper 2 and variant 2 for IGCSE. I'm going to solve the first question, that is about a night bus runs from 9:50 to 5:18 in the next day. Work out the number of hours and minutes that the night bus runs. Here you have to convert the hours and minutes, means that is the time limit that is given to you in that question, and you have to convert it into hours and minutes respectively. So first of all, 2150 means you have to work for 950. It means that 9 hours 50 minutes for that. The other one is 518 means 5 hours and 18 minutes. You need to work for the difference. So let's do 9:50 to 10 o'clock, then 10 to 12 o'clock, and then 12 to 5:18 means 5 hours and 18 minutes, or you can say 5:18s. So let's calculate the difference. 9:50 to 10 o'clock, it means that there is a difference of 10 minutes between them. So here you can write 10-minute difference. Then 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, you have a difference of 2 hours. And then 12 to 5:18, you have a difference of 5 hours and 18 minutes. You need to work for hours and minutes between them. So as a whole, you can say 10 plus 2 is, you can take away these two terms together. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 plus 5 seems to be, that is 10 minutes, sorry, not hours. So 5 hours and 2 hours means 7 hours. And 10 hours plus 10 minutes plus 18 minutes will gives you 28 minutes. So 18 plus 10 is 28. So as a whole, you can write 7 hours and 28 minutes. That will be the answer for the first part. Second one suggests that calculate the value of square root 5.76 plus 2.8 cube. You can hold on calculator to calculate the final answer. Just only calculator is needed. That will gives you 24.352. That will be the answer. Question number 3 is simplify the 4m plus 7k minus m plus 3k. You have to take up all the like terms together. So 7m minus m plus 7k plus 3k. So 4m minus m will become m, and 7 plus 3k will become 10k. So m plus 10k will be the answer for that. Next is question number 4. Diagram is given to you, so you have to figure out the values of a, b and c without doing any scaling, such that the length of a cuboid is 10 cm, its width is 4 cm, and its height is 5 cm. So first of all, identify what is the term named as base, what is the term named as height, and what is the term named as width. So base seems to be that one, that area seems to be base, that is seems to be 10 centimeter over here. So that is 10 centimeter. It means that at the place of B, I have to write 10 centimeter. If that base is 10, it means that every cuboid that contains that type of figure will having the base that is 10. Next is width. Width means its value for the width is 4 centimeter. So how much the value of width you can, that is seems to be that one. That is your width marked as C. That is seems to be 4 centimeter. So it means that its width for the C would be 4 centimeter. Now you have to work for A and B. How you can? First of all, write B is equals to 10 centimeter. That I figure out. C is equals to 4 centimeter. I have to find its height and its D. So in order to find the value for the height, I can see that is actually my height there to there for a single cuboid, and d is the sum of height plus width. So first of all I will find my height first, then I can find the other thing. So height could be written as d minus 4. Why I just write it down d minus 4? Because its width is take away from that one. So total d is whole of that. This whole thing is seems to be d. That is a sum of 4 and other thing, that is c. So I just write it down my equation as h is equals to d minus 4 of that. I don't know how much d I have, I don't know how much height I have, so just like marked as equation number 1. Let's find the value of a first, that is basically showing me the height value. So I can find my a value such that a is equals to base is how much? Base is 10 plus width, that is 4, plus other height, that one is 4, then that one should also be 4. So 4 plus 4 of that becomes a is equals to 10 plus 8, that is seems to be 18. So the value for that a would be 18. Now I just get the value of a. Now I can find the value of d easily. That would be d is equals to h plus 4. H is how much? Height is given to me, that is seems to be 5. So if height is 5, then I can plug back its value over here to calculate the value for my d. That becomes d is equals to 5 plus 4, that would be d is equals to 9 centimeter. So my d would be 9 centimeter. Next question number 5. There are 20 cars in the car park and 3 of the cars are blue. James wants to draw a pie chart to show that information. Find the angle of a sector for which the blue cars in the pie chart. You know that pie chart, whole of the pie chart contains 360 degree because it's a same thing, just like we were talking about angle of a circle. And if you are talking about angle of a complete circle, you know that there are 360 parts of that circle, and internal angle of that circle for a pie chart would be 360 degree. So you have to find the probability in terms of pie chart. So you can find 20 cards are total, out of which 3 are taken to be blue. So desired probability dividing by total outcomes, favorable outcomes dividing by total outcomes. So 3 is the favorable outcome for a blue car and 20 is the total outcome. So 3 by 20 times it by, because you specify your information according to pie chart, so it would be times by 360. Once you do the simplification, just do the cutting or solve on your calculator, you will get 54 degree. One of the 20 cards are picked at random. Find the probability that the car is not blue. Next you have to find about the probability for a car that is not to be blue. So first of all find the probability for selecting a blue car, then take away from 1. So probability of blue car, favorable outcome dividing by total outcome. There were 3 blue cars, so 3 by 20. Probability of not blue means success is 3 by 12, but failure would be 1 minus p, that is 1 minus 3 by 20. That will become 17 by 20. So 17 by 20 will be the answer for that. Next is question 6. AB is a column vector such that you have to write down the transformation of that. So here is your A and here is your B. First of all, read out how many times you are moving from A to B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parts you are moving from A to B. 9 or 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. 10 parts you are moving from A to B. So that will become minus of 10. How many points you are shifting to the top? 1, 2, 3. So 3 paths you are moving. You are translating your column vector into the positive y-axis. So it becomes 3. Minus 10 and 3. Okay, question 8. The ninth term of a sequence is n square minus 3. Find out first 3 terms of a sequence. First of all, choose n is equals to 1. You will have the first term of a sequence 1 square minus 3. That will becomes minus of 2. Then for n is equals to 2, you will see 2 square minus 3, that will become 4 minus 3, that is minus 1. Then for n is equals to 3, you can do 3 square is 9, 9 minus 3 is 6. These are 3 terms of a sequence.